Hashkivenu Eli at night, let us rest in gentle light. Shelter us beneath your wings, where every soul is free to sing. We rise with pride in who we are, each one of us a shining star. You made us whole, you made us true, a sacred spark, a part of you. Guard our sleep and calm our fear, hold us close and draw us near. Let no hate disturb our peace, let love and justice never cease. Shelter us beneath your wings, in every shade your mercy brings. Protect us as we dream tonight, and wake us to a world made right. We rise with pride and greet the day where all are seen and none turned away. Blessed are you who help us be a song of love and dignity.